need coffee.
Ah, what kind of grammar is that? Coffee is uncountable.
A cup of coffee.
Well, a lot of people standing around drinking coffee.
Yes, we're fond of it.
Yeah, well, I'm fond of people working.
But we are tired of working so hard. We need a break.
Look, one of you needs to give me a hand with something right now.
Well, none of us wants to do it.
Well, then all of you may be fired for your loosey-goosey attitude around here. Are you hard of hearing? It's almost the end of the day. Lazy workers.
That wasn't very nice of him to say.
Video sebelumnya menjelaskan tentang penggunaan sederhana of tentang lokasi atau suatu bagian. Dalam video ini juga terdapat struktur seperti ini.
A lot of people. One of you.
Well, none of us.
All of you may be. It's almost the end of the day.
However, of can also be used in more confusing ways. Of juga bisa digunakan untuk mengkomentari tentang aktivitas. They're sick of studying. Tetapi tidak bisa bilang, I'm happy of doing it. Harus bilang, I'm happy to do it. Bukan, I'm sad of hearing the news. Harus bilang, I am sad to hear the news.
We are tired of working so hard.
Dan of juga digunakan untuk kasih pujian kepada orang lain. That was nice of him to say. That was very thoughtful of you. That wasn't very friendly of her. That was rude of them to do. Dan of bisa digunakan untuk menjelaskan tentang kekurangan fisik dimiliki seseorang. My grandmother is hard of hearing. She is hard of seeing. Tetapi bukan, she is hard of learning. It is hard for her to learn. Itu benar. Be careful when learning English, because sometimes the English that we use is a little bit out of date or specific to an area. Bahasa Inggris digunakan oleh native speaker terkadang sedikit ketinggalan zaman atau kuno. For example, using of, an old English form is I am Richard of Winnipeg. Untuk menjelaskan saya asli dari Winnipeg. Also in the video, I said loosey-goosey.
Your loosey-goosey attitude around here.
Loosey-goosey is not normal modern English. It's kind of like an old way to say disorganized.
Man, I need coffee.
Ah, what kind of grammar is that? Coffee is uncountable.
A cup of coffee.
Well, a lot of people standing around drinking coffee.
Yes, we're fond of it.
Yeah, well, I'm fond of people working.
But we are tired of working so hard. We need a break.
Look, one of you needs to give me a hand with something right now.
Well, none of us wants to do it.
Well, then all of you may be fired loosey-goosey attitude around here. Are you hard of hearing? It's almost the end of the day. Lazy workers.
That wasn't very nice of him to say.
But we are tired of it. Ah! But we are tired of working so hard. We need break. But we are tired of working so hard. We need take a break.
Take a break.
Take a break. But we are tired of working so hard. We need a break.
It wasn't clear. You know what?
Bro,
But